Hey y'all, look, we back with another video. It's your boy Shaq Diesel, Shaq BR Diesel. Hey, we finna cook Tim's favorite sausage quesadilla, man. And look, let me get back with y'all. Look, when y'all see me make this quesadilla, man, I wanna let y'all know that they might be for sale. Might be $5 a quesadilla, and bring it to your job, man, on your lunch break, breakfast break, whatever you take. Whatever you take on a breakfast break, man, let me know. I might start selling them, man, because I'm at home, so I ain't doing that. You hear me? All right, what we're going to do, we're going to grind some of this sausage, man. Turn it a little hot. I ain't going to eat much of it, so I'm just going to make enough for him. If that's enough. So we're just going to grind up a little sausage, man, just a little bit. I know they ain't put no grease in the skillet, so the sausage make his own grease, really, for real. And we use the Tennessee Fried mild since 1943. I don't know who was cooking sausage and stuff in 1943, but had to be a black. All right, so we're gonna do one thing at a time, man. Got a little too hot now, but we're gonna get it right. You know what I'm talking about? We actually can cut it off now. There's enough heat to fold the eggs a little bit. We ain't gonna scramble them like y'all like them real scrambled. Just gonna fold them. Get all the taste, all the flavor. No salt. We use no salt. We use no pepper. None of that, because the seasoning is already in the sausage.
Yes, sir.
That's how I calm down my pressure too, y'all. I'm not adding salt. Taking away the salt from my diet. That's all you have to do. We're gonna move from the hot side of the stove. Now we're gonna get our flour tortillas. I know we got a seal on it somewhere, but I ain't even worried about looking for that. We're gonna get our flour tortillas. We're gonna butter our griddle. We're gonna lay our flour tortillas at. Butter it like a soap. Flour tortilla. Flour tortilla. And then we're gonna get the rest of the last leftover cheese first. We're gonna do this first. Instead of adding open a new pack, we're gonna get the rest of the old one. So these two gonna be for Tim. I'm just gonna do mine, like I said, more cheesy and just egg. So we're gonna fill this thing up like this. Fill it up like this. We're gonna leave that little chunk in there. We're gonna let it griddle just a second. We're gonna add our little folded eggs in there. Just like so. Just like so. We're gonna come with our little sausage. He's like heavy, so I guess we're gonna get it to him heavy, you know what I'm talking about? And these two right here, I'm gonna fill them up for the rest of the day.
Yes, sir, you are.
So I'm just gonna have this for me, just that much. I can eat that much probably. Now we're gonna fold it. You want to fold. I'm not Mexican, so I don't know how to fold like they know how to fold. But guess what? Did a great job folding. Gonna fold this thing. We're gonna fold it. We're gonna add a little more butter in the surface. We're gonna slide so in there, cuz in there. We're gonna slide cuz back in there. We're gonna slide new cuz in there. We're gonna slide cuz back in there. That's just one side, man. Wait till y'all see this side when it's golden. When it's golden. It's gonna be golden, cuz. It's gonna be golden. Trying to make it not even. We lubricate this like a soap, and then we can flip over like that.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We can flip over like that. Listen, you looking at a Shack Diesel quesadilla, bro. Breakfast quesadilla. I can do it with pulled chicken, pulled pork. You can do it with you make a quesadilla out of anything, almost anything. But we're doing it today with sausage. Like I said, it's Tim's favorite. Tim's favorite.
Forget a Taco Bell.
Yeah, forget Taco Bell. All right, we're gonna say this thing done. We're gonna pull them all. We're gonna cut them. We're gonna cut it like a so. Cut it biased on the bias end, in the middle. You know how you get your quesadilla from Taco Bell and it's uneven and all that crap.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Got this pan. We're gonna serve it to your boy. That's it. Voila, man. Shack Diesel. Breakfast. Shack Diesel breakfast quesadilla.
Delicioso.
That's it, man. I'm out, y'all. We finna eat. Holla at you later. That's it. What you think, bro?
Delicioso.
He put salsa and ranch.
Yes, sir.
They all on. One more. So that's why that green, that purple one's so important. Right there, had it, baby. everything. Keep one of them away my ass every time.